Mr. Huff. Okay, we're trying again. What I had to do is I had to adjust the dimensions of the bracelet and my beads because my beads were too large for my bracelet. So I made this a little bit bigger. Again, we've got the two made connectors that intersect on the front plane and the right plane. You could also do another one on this side of the front plane and another one on that side of the right plane. But we need to start an assembly. And I'm going to rename this all together. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and insert the bracelet I just made. And so I'm just going to click out here somewhere and then right click and choose fix. I don't want to free rotate this. Everything's going to be connected to this and it's connected to the X, Y, and Z axis. And we're also going to add a bead. And we're going to add the other bead. Okay, that's everything I need. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one of these beads and we're going to do, there's several of these that will work. I'm going to use the Revolute and I'm going to click on the middle of the bead and then this here and then hit resolve. Okay. And I can also do, check. Okay, so we have that one. Delete. All right, so we have this one on here. So we should be able to, what is happening? We are going to choose mate. And we're going to fasten this to this. And then we can check. And then we're going to do the same thing with this one. We are going to choose this and this and check. All right, so we have two of these on here. So we should be able to, there are some of these you can use where they can revolve, but right now we're just getting them on there. All right, so once we have those in place, what we can do is up here you see circular pattern in an assembly. So what we're going to do is choose the bead, and the axis is going to be this thing. And then we tell it how many we want. Let's use an odd number like 3. And now we have 3 of those. And then we're going to click this one. And we're going to choose circular pattern. And we'll choose the bracelet again. And we can put 4 and see how that works. Okay, we have some intersecting here. So let's try 5. Or we could do 3, so they don't intersect. So there's a bracelet with some things around it. All right, this should get you started. And that's all for now.